To remove a repair port install, you first got to take off the spiral ring with the pick. You find the edge, pick it up, pull it all the way out. Sometimes you'll destroy it to take it off, like I did. Once it's removed, you get your hammer and lightly tap it down. Okay. Once the port is removed, you want to prep the inside of the port with some sandpaper. You want to take off all the excess resin on the side. You can use a 80 or you can use 220. So you can sand the surface down a little bit. Make sure you don't get too much to the side so you destroy the paint around it. To the inside of the wall. Do not touch the counterbore.
So you basically want to remove all of the cured resin that was once holding that side port in place.
Because when you install when you install the port again and you install the spiral ring, you want to have it flush so it goes in again. Once you're done, you want to clean it. Get a little bit of acetone with the brush. Just clean the inside, all the dust. Okay.
So you just wipe it out.
Wipe it off. Once you're done with that, kind of inspect the inside, the counterboard. There's nothing no glue or resin around it. Okay. Before installing the port, make sure it's clean. Get a little bit of acetone with a towel. Wipe off all the glue. Once it's clean, you get your tool. Put your seal back on. Slide it in. Put the nut on. Slide the spacer or the seal installer in, push it all the way. You don't want to do that. I just popped it out.
What do you mean you popped it out?
It went through the seal. The port seal has to be inside the black spacer.
Okay.
So when you install it, it'll squeeze in. I went too far down, so I got to remove it again. Take it off. Put my port back on with the seal. Okay. Just like that. We're gonna install the port. What we gotta do is we gotta put a little bit of glue on the port so it can bond, so it won't move. We use 2-part epoxy. We got our Spencer gun. We get a little bag. Dispense a little bit of glue. Got the tip on. And then you want to do 4 drops. Small drops, small port. Okay. Once you put the glue on, the radius, you want to put the same contour of the vessel. Pull it in.
Okay, got it. Good.
Okay. Once installed, with your hand, put your hand inside and just lightly, you can push it down. Okay. Once it's pushed down, take off the nut in the bottom. remove the port install, and your steel should be inside the vessel. Once we're done pulling it, you want to at least wait at least 2-3 minutes so the port won't move. See the port a little bit moves? What you want to do is you don't want to move it at all. Install your spiral ring again. Open one of the lips. Push it in the groove. Slide it in. Go all the way around. And you get your ice pick and put it in the bottom and then put it forward and lock it in place. Once you're done there, you can get some UV resin. I put it on the syringe. I put tape around it because when you hit the light, you don't want the light to cure the syringe. So lightly put some resin. All the way around.
Talking about what, like a 16th of a bead all the way around?
Yeah, you don't want to put too much so it won't start running on you. If it runs on you, you just gotta clean it with the paper towel. Yeah. Like this one is over here trying to run. I mean, just lightly with the paper towel, go over it. Let it sit, let it go inside. Once it lets sit, you'll get your UV light and you can cure the resin. About 30 seconds on each side.
Can you over cure it by leaving the light on there too long?
Yes, and you could warm up the paint too much, and you could bubble it up.
Okay.
So as I say, about 30 seconds. Go back and forth. Take it off, and then you can see if it's hard. You can put your fingernail on it. It's hard. Inspect it. Make sure it's all the way around. I'm gonna put the light again. Another 30 seconds. Just make sure. And that's it. And your part shouldn't move.